Happy New Year's, everyone, even though this video is going to be posted like 6 days after. Yeah, we watched the 9 o'clock fireworks in California because that's like New Year's in New York. So we didn't really stay up very late, although the midnight fireworks woke me up. Now we're trying to get some free breakfast from a hotel nearby. And then, don't know what we're gonna do today, just see some beaches, I think. Alright, we came to Santa Monica Beach. As we were pulling up, some guys said that there was 2.5 hours left on this parking meter. So that was very, very cool of them. So we got to park for free. Now we're gonna just check out the beach, check out the original Muscle Beach, which is an outdoor gym here, which will be kind of cool, I guess. And we'll get all sandy, probably. How do you get down that?
Jump.
Ready?
Yep.
It's easy for me to stay off the ground.
Alright, we are at the Santa Monica Boardwalk here. What is this shit called? Anyway, that Muscle Beach thing was pretty hard. Still a little tired from that rope. We're gonna probably not do any of this stuff because it costs money, but we're gonna walk around.
I just don't get how it's hard. I don't get how it's hard.
There's a stingray down there. It's crazy. And then there's that thing, I don't know what it is. Might be some car keys, but it seems like it's moving around. Alright, we're driving up Highway 1. We're gonna slowly make our way to San Francisco over the next few days because our flight to Hawaii leaves out of there, but we don't want to get there too early. So we're just gonna drive up the coast. There's the ocean right there.
Wow, there's just a Levi's store here?
Yeah, dude, Malibu Levi's. Alright, we're here at a hiking trail in Malibu. I forget what it's called. But there's a waterfall apparently that we're going to try to walk to if it's not too far. Aiden's waiting at this porta potty to squeeze his lemons. And then we're going to do this little walk. We got extremely lucky with parking again. There's like no parking here, but someone was pulling out right as we were pulling up, so tight. All right, we're probably a good halfway through the hike. well, the way there. So I guess a quarter of the way. It's pretty sick. It's a lot easier than Colorado hikes because there's oxygen in the air here. So pretty good. Look at the good boy. Look at the good boys. One good boy, two good boys. That guy's an okay boy. Another good boy. All right, we're gonna climb up this rope here. Are you scared for it?
I'm scared of heights.
It looks a little bit easy. But all right, here he comes. Yeah, see, dude, it wasn't that hard, right?
Nah.
All right, we're climbing up a little more.
I looked down, dude.
Going up this way. We don't know if there's anything up here, but we'll see. All right, Aiden got scared. He couldn't get from there to there.
Dude, okay, don't make it look so easy, dude.
Dude, it was pretty easy. So I'm gonna keep going. I'll do it one-handed so I can vlog while Aiden bitches out.
Stop calling me a bitch.
Dude, it's easy. Come on.
It's the loose ground right here that I'm scared of, dude.
Do it.
Dude, I don't think I can. Dude, you know I get like this. I get stuck at a certain point.
Yeah, but I think you can.
That point today, dude.
I think you can do it though.
I mean, I could. I'm just really scared of it. Probably because I slipped a little.
All right, this is the top of the waterfall. If there were water flowing down it. There's Aiden, way down there. He wouldn't do it, so I did it all by myself. Now I'm gonna try to get down, but it is very slippery. I understand why he was scared. Yeah, the ground is really loose and very slippy. So I don't know how I'm gonna get back down, but here it goes. So this part here, it's not super steep, but there's like nothing to grip onto. So if you slide, you're sliding all the way down to that tree right there, which is a little bit scary. Just gonna have to go for it, I think, though. Gotta get down. All right, went pretty much to the top of the waterfall. I think there was a path that could have gone higher up, but
I went up the path that was higher up. It was
that's not true.
It was pretty high up there.
Guys, you know where he was. I showed you.
He bullied me on camp.
Yeah, so we're going back down now. I think it's probably like a 30 to 40 minute walk back down. It's usually faster on the way down, so pretty tired.